Hello everyone! In this lesson we're going to look at steps to delete temporary files on Windows 11. On Windows 11, temporary files are those files that apps store on your computer to hold information temporarily. Also, the system has many other temporary file types, including those leftover files after installing a new version, upgrade logs, error reporting, and temporary Windows installation files, and more. Usually this file won't cause any issues. However, they can grow quickly using valuable space of the hard drive, so it is important to clear them out every now and then to make more space for more important files. Okay, so here is how to remove temporary files on Windows 11. First, open Start and look for Settings, and then open the app. Then click on System, and then click on Storage. Under the local disk, click on Temporary Files. If you don't see this item, click the Show More Categories option. And here, select all the items that you want to delete. This list may be different depending on the files available on your computer. You can also check Recycle Bin, but remember that once you delete the files, you won't be able to recover any previously deleted files. You can also check this option, but you have to make sure to back up any files that you might have downloaded from the internet into the downloads folder, because everything on that folder will be deleted. So once you selected all the items, click the Remove Files button to clear those files. Click Continue to finish. The file deletion will take some time depending on the amount of files that needs to be deleted, but you can always close the Settings app and continue working on your computer. Another way you can use to clear temporary files is using Storage Sense. And to do that, open Start and look for Settings. And then open the app. Then click on System, and then on Storage. Then click on Storage Sense. At the top, make sure to check the option Keep Windows Running Smoothly by automatically cleaning temporary system and app files option. You can also turn on this feature to allow Storage Sense to work automatically when the computer is running out of space to free up storage. And you can also configure different settings. For example, delete files in Recycle Bin if they have been there for a certain number of time, and the same for the Downloads folder. If you use OneDrive, files that have been uploaded to OneDrive, they can safely be deleted from your computer to free up space. So if you want to free up the most space, usually you want to select the 1 day for these options. And once you configure Storage Sense, the feature will run automatically as needed. Now, if you want to clear the temporary files immediately, just click the Run Storage Sense Now button at the bottom of the page. This process also will take some time depending on the amount of files that need to be deleted. You can always close the Settings app and continue working on Windows 11. Finally, you can also use the Legacy Disk Cleanup tool to delete temporary files on Windows 11. And to do that, open Start and look for File Explorer and open the app. Then go to this PC and right-click the C drive and select the Properties option. Then on the General tab, click the Disk Cleanup button. Then click the Cleanup System Files button. And in here, select all the junk files or temporary files that you want to delete from the system. Once you selected all the items that you want to remove from the computer, click the OK button to finish. And then click the button. And that's it. Those are 3 ways that you can use to delete temporary files on Windows 11 to free up space on your computer. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.